Most people get their salary and it disappears faster than their motivation to save. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I budget my salary, every single rupee, in a way that stops me from going broke halfway through the month. If your money keeps ghosting you, this is your reality check. This isn't some fairy tale budgeting where people claim they save 80% of their income. This is the real routine I follow on Payday, the routine that actually works. The first rule is zero delay allocation. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting to budget. Money loses discipline the moment it hits your account. That's why within 60 seconds of getting paid, I divide it automatically. 40% for bills, 20% for savings, 20% for investments, 15% for living expenses, and 5% for guilt-free enjoyment. No thinking, no debating. If your budget depends on your mood, you're guaranteed to fail. Every payday, I do a brutal bill check. I ask myself one question: what useless subscription is draining me this month? There's always something. An app I don't use, a trial I forgot, or a service that stopped making sense. Cutting these pointless expenses has saved me more money than any finance motivation ever has. Then comes the 20% investment rule. I invest before I touch anything else. Because if you won't pay your future self first, nobody else will. Index funds, crypto DCA, fractional real estate, gold, whatever the method, the point is consistency. I'm not promising overnight riches, but if you're not investing regularly, you're guaranteeing long-term financial struggle. Next is the reality zone, living money. This is where people lie to themselves the most. You don't need a new outfit every week. You don't need daily food delivery, and you definitely don't need the latest phone if your bank balance is begging for mercy. Cut your lifestyle by 10% and watch your stress drop by 50%. And yes, I keep 5% for fun, because if you never enjoy your money at all, you'll eventually sabotage your entire budget. A little enjoyment keeps the system sustainable. Before I followed this system, I had no idea where my salary was going. I blamed income, inflation, everything except my own habits. Once I took control, things didn't change instantly, but they changed consistently. If you want me to break down your salary and create a custom budget for your income, drop your monthly amount in the comments. And if this helped you more than the usual finance nonsense, hit subscribe. I teach real routines, not fantasies.